Hi everyone, welcome back to my taste of Guyanese and American. Today we are going to cook some cook-up rice with a lot of flavor from Guyana. All right, and there's a lot of beans, chicken, and spinach and carrots, and Guyanese seasoning. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do it. Okay, let's get started. Put a little black pepper. I'll put some of this. I'm gonna put some of this. Dry thyme. Fry this up nice. I'm gonna add some green seasoning. I don't have the fresh one from Guyana. I'm gonna add some cilantro. This is the Spanish one in the bottle. Everything is like a teaspoon, okay? Add some thyme. This is the fresh one. This is 1 pot cook. Everything is in 1 pot. Put everything in 1 pot and cook. Ton of flavor. Especially in coconut. I'll put a little bit of salt. Not a lot. It all depends on the seasoning. You can taste it at the end. You can taste it when it's finished. You can need more seasoning. A little more salt if you need. Come back and show you the next step, okay? Gonna put some carrots here to give it color. Add some carrot strip. This is carrot strip. Give it color, okay? There you go. I'm going to put the onions in, carrots, the onions, garlic. Put a piece of garlic. It smells amazing. We're gonna add the beans. Coconut milk. It's come to a boil. Let's drop the rice in. Let it simmer down. That's it. It's not hard, very simple. Let it come to a boil. I got that going. Oh, forgot the pepper. One pepper I like to put it on top of the rice. Put the rice in, put the spinach in, and that's it. They cook. That's finished. I'm cooking since I'm 12 years old. I'm cooking. Since I'm 12 years old, I love to cook. I used to go to cooking in my grandmother's yard when she's not around. You know, used to have so many fun when you was a kid back home. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of water to that. I'm gonna have a half cup of water. Got the beans out some water. I don't want too much of water. Get the beans out of water, liquid inside already. This is boiling. I'm gonna add the rice. gonna put the rice in. This is like a 1.5 cup. Let this boil and then come back and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna add the spinach. I'm gonna come back and show you in a halfway. And then halfway, I'm gonna throw this, come back and show you, and then I'll add the spinach. Just want to come to a full boil. Alright, I'm gonna come back and show you guys, okay? The spinach. That's how it's looking, guys. Looking good, man. Look at that. It's almost ready. For like 10 more minutes. 10 to 15 more minutes. Alright. And this be ready like Friday. Okay. Look how beautiful that is. Check it out, guys. Beautiful rice. That's cook-up rice. Chinese American. 2 different seasoning. Check this out, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Spinach, carrots, chicken, beans. 1 pot cook-up rice. Everything is in 1 pot. That's the finish. That's the chicken and the beans and the carrot and the spinach. That's right in the pot, guys. Okay. Beautiful. Guys, cook-up rice. We just make this beautiful cook-up rice. Chicken and spinach, carrots, beans,